Bitcoin may dip 1.3% tomorrow, according to 30 rates. First up, here's what the price is showing at this moment. At the time of this update, Bitcoin is up 1.9% in the last 24 hours and trading near $90,057.70. Let's transition to the analyst section. Tomorrow's forecast from Digital Coin Price suggests $90,520.21, which is 0.5% higher than now. Coin Price forecast expects a move higher for Bitcoin to $90,108, an increase near 0.1%. Cryptonization highlights the outlook for dropping to $89,981.38, a potential decrease of 0.1%. Another analysis released by 30 rates points to Bitcoin drifting lower toward $88,863, a loss estimated near 1.3%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector projects the price falling to $88,060.47 by December 23, 2.2% below now. This is the top return short call. That's your lineup of forecasts. Let's keep going. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. According to the data, the price swing could be from a decline of 2.2% to a gain of 0.5%. From this, we can see Gov Capital Collector holding the top forecast with 2.2% rise in value by December 23. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $1 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, Coin Price forecast is ahead with an 87.5% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 forecasts, I've put forward a consensus view. The combined outlook suggests Bitcoin staying roughly around $89,506.61. So let's go step by step. The consensus outlook indicates a 0.6% fall in price by tomorrow. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 0.6%, reflecting that same shift. A $1,000 investment might show a return of about $6 under this forecast. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bitcoin is about 84.5%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. Bitcoin may advance, Digital Coin Price also notes. Coin Price forecast expects Bitcoin to hover close to its current level, showing no clear direction. Additionally, Cryptonization suggests calm conditions with prices steady. 30 rates indicates a positive trajectory in the short run. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector signals the price is following an ascending path. Collectively, the forecasts suggest Bitcoin will remain balanced across this 3-day horizon. The analysis shows 80% of forecasts aligned on bullish expectations. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. As a result, the price eventually moved to $88,660.80. Yesterday's close showed that most of the forecasts were right about the direction. The tightest forecast was produced by CoinCodex. Now we'll take it step by step. Just one outlook proved consistent with the daily span. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but CoinCodex achieved the strongest gain at 0.7%. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. As indicated in the data, Cryptonization achieved 0.2% ROI and accuracy. Look through the table and notice which forecasts turned out most accurate. And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. At 5th place we find Bitcoin, while Polygon continues to lead at minus 3.1%. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and a wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. If you enjoy having everything summarized instead of scrolling through dozens of forecasts, like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.